Join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for prayer. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya
Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May God bless you all. Get ready with your English stuff. We are going to question answers.
Ma'am, today we have to do think and answer.
Right, think and answer. Yes, today we are going to write think and answer. Today's date is 9th and it's Wednesday. Okay. Now see, subject English. Someone speaker is on, please mute yourself. Topic, poem, the merchant. Someone speaker is on, will you please switch it off? Now see, Diya, switch off your camera. Jia Desai, switch off your mic. Jia Desai, switch off your mic. Okay. Now we are going to write the question answer. Okay, question B is completed yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Complete.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now today we are going to complete question.
Number C, ma'am. C.
Question C. Okay, let me make the board wider. Wait for a while. See, now you can see the board at big level. You can see the whole board now, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wait for a while. Let me make it little big so you people can get the more place to write it in more beautiful way. Now I think it is sufficient for all of us to start with the question answers. Are all the words visible clearly to you all?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
All right.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. What's your name?
Ma'am, I am Dvija Togaria. You have write the merchant. I know that you have write merchant, but it is not clearly visible.
Okay, so I will use blue plain and big font, alright, so that
Okay,
you can
ma'am.
get the good content, right? Now, let's see the things. Here we are going to complete now question C. Is it true? Today we are going to write by using the think and answer, right? Think and answer. 3 questions of think and answer. So, from here you people can see it clearly, right? Right
Yes,
here. Is it okay if I write from here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
but please make your letters little bit big.
Yes,
ma'am.
and this side from here. Is it okay from here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's okay now.
Now see question C. Is it visible properly to you all? Question C?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
big, big? Yes, ma'am.
Now someone speaker is on, beta. Will you please switch it off? Please. Now see, the speaker has a wonderful imagination and longs for adventure. Choose lines from the poem that support this and give reasons for your choice. Here, write down.
Ma'am?
Speaker has a wonderful imagination and is very adventurous. Write down. The speaker has The speaker. See, is it okay? The font of words.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, I am going to write now. The speaker has a wonderful imagination. The speaker has a wonderful. Is it okay? Wonderful imagination.
Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
Ma'am, please mute New Dava.
New Dava, please. The speaker has a wonderful imagination and is very adventurous. Imagination and is very adventurous. Is very adventurous.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, your adventurous is not clear. Please write a little bit big.
Okay. Now let me do one thing. Let me.
Ma'am, you're writing answer.
Now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
it is okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're writing
Now
answer.
is it okay?
Ma'am, your video is buffering. Your video is buffering.
Yes, ma'am, okay.
Now it is. Okay. Now see. Then see here. He thinks the following streams to be. He thinks the following streams to be golden. He
Ma'am, you're
thinks.
writing answer.
Yes, beta. He thinks.
Ma'am, your voice is
Ma'am, this answer is of Indian answer.
What? Beta, be attentive. I told you that we are writing answers of think and answer, and then again you people are asking one by one. It means that you are not attentive in the class. If you are not having any interest, leave the class. Alright? Now see. Hitting the flowing springs. He thinks the flowing streams to be golden. To be golden. Then he compares harvest with gold.
मैम टू बी के बाद में जो आपने लिखा है ना वो लाइटनेस की वजह से दिख नहीं रहा.
Golden, Golden, golden. He compares harvest with gold. Harvest with gold. Okay. He thinks he will find line number. Now here we are writing line numbers. Okay. The writing whole line is really difficult. So write the line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Line number down. Line number means stanza, second stanza. Okay.
मैम what you write after harvest with
Gold. 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 Harvest with gold. Then write that this is for second stanza. Okay. Second stanza means there is no need to write the lines of the poem. because we are writing the poet's imagination. It will reduce your work. This explanation is regarding second stanza. Now write down the third part. He thinks he will find pearls. He will find pearls. P-E-A-R-L-S. Pearls that
मैम आपने फाइंड के बाद क्या लिखा है?
pearls, P-E-A-R-L-S, pearls that are as big as the raindrops of autumn. The pearls
फाइंड के बाद क्या लिखा है?
raindrops of
मैम बीच के बाजू में क्या लिखा है?
He thinks he will find pearls that are as big as the raindrops of autumn.
जी मैम.
Yes, beta.
And what you have written after find?
Pearls, P-E-A-R-L-S, pearls.
Okay मैम.
Right? Now, autumn, the Pearl Island shore. Now,
मैम आपने आइलैंड के बाद क्या लिखा है?
third stanza of the poem. Here, third stanza.
मैम आपने आइलैंड के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Island shore, S-H-O-R-E, shore. Third stanza. Now fourth stanza. He wants to get pair of horses for his brother. He wants to get pair of horses for his brother. A magical pen for his father. And a jewel for his mother. For his mother, it's so precious. That is so precious.
मैम यार वीडियो
Stop.
Wait for a while, huh? That is so.
मैम वीडियो स्टॉप एंड यू आर टॉकिंग.
Now see, now how is it? How is it now?
Now okay, ma'am.
Now
okay. Ma'am, now okay.
Now question 2. This one is in the 4th stanza. Listen, here in the question it is asked to write the lines of the poem. But if we write the lines of the poem, it will increase your work. You have to write a lot. That's why I have just mentioned the stanzas. Okay, 2nd stanza, 3rd stanza and 4th stanza. This means that the boy wants to bring the things are mentioned here for the 2nd stanza. These things for 3rd stanza. And this is for 4th stanza. Alright, be aware about it. Now second answer. Second question. Based on what you have read, write a few lines about the speaker and his family. Mention the kind of relationship that they have with each other. Write down. The speaker and family seem to be content with the gifts of nature. The speaker and his family.
mic
on.
Ma'am, tell Rishabh Gandhi to off his mic.
Rishabh Gandhi, the speaker and his family seem to be content. Family seem to be
Ma'am,
yes.
then we are doing only means the first answer only.
No, beta, this is second answer. I am going to write answer of the second question. Okay? Now see.
मैम सेकंड क्वेश्चन में आपने क्या लिखा है लास्ट साइड फैमिली के बाद? मैम सेकंड आंसर इज कांट एबल टू सी फुल.
Right? To be content.
Ma'am, the video is working.
मैम सेकंड आंसर अच्छे से दिख रहा है. Ma'am, it is visible clear.
Please mute yourself. If you keep your camera on, then you will not get the good quality of video and audio also. I am reading the answer for you. Mute yourself. The speaker and his family seem to be content with the gifts of nature. The speaker is highly imaginative. The speaker.
Amna, mute yourself.
Is.
Amna Payak, mute yourself.
I will disconnect her. Wait. Let me disconnect her. All the time I am not free to ask you people be mute. Bhavya, Darshil, Amna. Next time if I find you, I will disconnect you, all three of you. How many times I have to tell you to be mute? If you are interested, then come in school and dictate question answers to everyone. There is no need of Jyoti ma'am here. All the time I have to explain you, follow discipline, don't keep your mic on, and then also you people are keeping your mics on. It means that you are not interested in following the discipline. I will mention all these points in your observation. This will not help you longer. Be attentive and complete your work in time. Next one. See here. What was the topic? The speaker and his family seem to be content with the gifts of nature. The speaker is highly what? Imaginative. Write down. imaginative and imaginative. Then after, write down, the speaker is highly imaginative and adventurous. And adventurous. Adventurous, right? Then after, the mother is very affectionate and loving. The mother is very affectionate.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of affectionate?
Affectionate means what we call lagnishir. Okay, lagni wali, right? Affectionate and loving. Then
Ma'am?
the speaker loves.
Ma'am?
What's your name?
Ma'am, Rushabh Gandhi.
Yes, Rishabh. The speaker loves.
Ma'am, imaginative and odd when odd when का meaning क्या होता है?
इमेजिनेटिव मीन्स जो इमेजिन करता है, जो सपने बुनता है, राइट? इमेजिनेटिव, जिसकी क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग अच्छी होती है. एडवेंचरस मीन्स जिसको डेयरिंग वाले एक्ट करने अच्छे लगते हैं, राइट? द स्पीकर लव्स all the members of his family. Loves all the members of his family. They care about one another. They care about one another. They care about one another, and the speaker wants to surprise his family. Surprise his family members with wonderful gifts. With wonderful gifts. That he knows will make them happy. That he knows will make them happy. I hope that you people have finished the second answer.
Ma'am, I have finished. I have also finished.
Okay.
Ma'am, only 2 minutes. Ma'am, I also finished.
Everyone mute yourself. I said I hope. I didn't ask you that you have finished or not. Now I am going to write the third answer, and then we are going to see the introduction and reading of chapter 3. Okay? Third question. This poem is full of beautiful images. Can you see the places the speaker described in your mind? How does it help to bring out the beauty and magical quality of the poem? Write down. The description bring alive the beautiful things and places that speaker is telling us about the description. The description bring alive
Ma'am,
the beautiful things. Yes, beta.
ma'am, of third person we do not write the question. It is okay.
You have to skip line for writing the question and then you can write it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
The description bring alive the beautiful things and places. That the speaker places, that the speaker is telling us about. Is telling us about. We too are able to see.
Excuse me, मैम मैम आपने अबाउट के बाद क्या लिखा है?
बेटा we लिखा है, WE the
Okay.
marvelous things that he imagines.
मैम आपने अबाउट के बाद क्या लिखा है?
That he imagines. This makes the situation seem more real to the reader as well as they get to share in the imagined wonder.
ચોટ થાય છે એટલે
Imagined wonder in the poem. Discipline and silence. Complete this. Okay. Complete this part.
Ma'am, I have finished answer number 3.
Ma'am, I also finished.
Ma'am, I also finished.
My completed. My also finished.
Complete this part fast. Have you completed it?
No, ma'am, 2 minutes.
Okay, complete it
Ma'am,
first. Then we are
please.
going to start.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
done for us.
Okay. Complete it. Then we are going to start the new chapter. Chapter
Ma'am,
3.
I complete Rishabh Gandhi.
Switch off your mic, Rishabh. After 1 minute, we are going to.
Kenty Ghost.
Am
I also done, ma'am. Kenter Wild Ghost. Kenter Wild Ghost. चैप्टर द केंटर वाइल्ड घोस्ट। मैम दूसरा पार्ट रखना। केंटर वाइल्ड घोस्ट।
Now see the chapter 3. See
called as ghost.
Those who work it in complete. Rest of you, chapter 3.
The Kenter Wild Ghost. The Kenter Wild Ghost. Kenter Wild. नहीं आज जाओ तू क्या रह रही है सवार के बपोरे के सांझी के रात के मैम यू राइट दिस मैंने पूछी
Mubin, Bakharia. Switch off your mic, Mubin.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
No, chapter 3, the Canterville Ghost, okay? Ghost is the title, which means that something is very haunted or dangerous, right? So this is very interesting story of the villa, okay, one house. And a few people bought the house and they were very afraid of the ghost, and some of them were very brave, so they didn't, right? So this is the story regarding it.
Excuse me, ma'am. Please,
Now
ma'am.
people have to read
Please,
one
ma'am.
by one. Yes.
Ma'am, side please.
Okay. How many of you have watched a scary film? Ghost film or scary film?
Gandhi.
Okay. Rishabh Gandhi,
Ma'am,
you can explain how is it in the story? What is the story about? What is the story about? The Canterville Ghost is the story of a ghost, okay? But the film you have watched, if we see that we have watched the film Bhootnath or Bhootnath Returns, this is the story of a good bhoot, right? Beautiful, what we call, good-natured ghost, Bhootnath and Bhootnath Returns. But there are so many dangerous films of ghosts, yes.
Then have you seen Booth and Friends?
Now see, now we are going to read the story. Nishtha, read the first paragraph of the story, the chapter, page number 26. Nishtha will start reading. Yes, Nishtha, start reading of the chapter.
Chapter 3, The Canterville Ghost. The Canterville Ghost is a well-known short story by Oscar Wilde. It is a ghost story with a difference. Instead of fear and tension, humor rules the story. The humans are not afraid and the ghost struggles to scare them. So far, no one had insulted the clever ghost in this way. The ghost had finally met its match in the spirited, bold American family. Frightening them seemed almost impossible.
Now characters. Lord Canterville, owner of the mansion called Canterville Chase. Okay. Mr. and Mrs. Otis. Who will read the second part?
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I?
Nirva Panchotia will read. Nirva.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Nirva, I can hear you.
Chapter 3. So, Canterville Ghost. Canterville Ghost is well-known short story by
Nirva, that is done. You have to read the next paragraph. That is done.
Mr. and Mrs. Otis, a wealthy middle-aged American couple. Mrs. Umney, the old housekeeper of Canterville Chase, Washington, the eldest son of the Otis family. Virginia, the 15-year-old daughter of the Otis family. The twins, the youngest members of Otis family, and the ghost. Okay, so I think time is over, right?
No, ma'am. Still, there are 10 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. It will over at 12 o'clock.
Yes. So, whose turn is next? I think it's...
Ma'am, Dvija Togadia.
Yes, Dvija. Read.
Okay,
Start
ma'am.
reading. Scene 1, Dvija Togadia will read.
Scene 1. At the Canterville Chase. Lord Canterville, I am really pleased you want to buy Canterville Chase, but there is something you have to know. Mr. Otis, if you insist. Lord Canterville, yes, I do. There's this ghost in. Mr. Otis, a ghost? Don't you talk about it. Lord Canterville, I fear the ghost exists. I think you should listen to your family story. Mr. Otis, try me. Lord Canterville, I will tell you what happened to my grand aunt, the Dowager Duchess of Bolton. The side of the stage where the side of the stage where Mr. Otis and Lord Canterville are standing is darkened and the other side is lit up. Sound of a woman screaming are heard. The butler and the housekeeper lead the Duchess to a chair and give her a drink of water. She sits down, terrified. Duchess, please don't leave me alone here. Take me away from here. Scream. Get away from me. Don't touch me. The housekeeper. My lady, calm down. There is nobody here. Look around you. Duchess, sobbing. That thing, it had its bony hands on me. I didn't notice at first. I thought it was a cold draught. Then I saw those skeleton hands. The Duchess screams again and faints. The side where Mr. Otis and Lord Canterville are standing is light up. Lord Canterville, my grand aunt was so frightened that she never recovered from the shock. Mr. Otis, and you want me to believe this? Lord Canterville, Mr. Otis, the ghost has been seen by several members of my family. After the unfortunate accident to the Duchess, none of our younger staff would stay with us. Mr. Otis, well, come from a modern country. We do what we want. We have money and everything that money can buy.
Okay, stop. Now next part, who will read?
Ma'am, can I do some Gandhi? Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, may I Jia Desai? Ma'am, may I ask?
Okay, wait, Rishabh, let Jia read first, then after Jia, Rishabh will read. Jia, read the 28th page whole, 28 number page, Lord Canterville. What is your point?
Lord Canterville, what is your point? Mr. Otis, my dear Lord, we would buy the ghost itself if there were curse, things, and the place it in the museum for Lord Canterville. If you don't mind in your house, it's quite all right with me. But let me tell you, last night, ghost has been around for 300 years and it always makes its appearance before the death of a family member. Mr. ओके कब
Okay. Now next one. Rishabh.
Yes, ma'am.
You can continue now.
Okay, ma'am. Lord Canterville with a knowing smile. All right, Canterville, case is all yours. Scene 2. In the library, Canterville, Mr. Umney enters the library, followed by Mr. and Mrs. Otis. Washington, Virginia, and the twins. He is paid for his Otis payment. Suddenly, Mr. Otis noticed what looks like a
Read me chapter at home.
Ma'am, your voice is quaking.
And the word meaning in your SND. Now present time. Now see, now am I?
Ma'am, what is homework?
Ma'am, homework.
Read this chapter at home and write the word meanings in your FNB. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
अभी present माही अघारा सारंग अघारा कार्या
Ma'am, Mubin Maskaria, present, roll number 4.
Okay. Give me your presentee. Soumya Bhimani, Bhavya Sai, Neil Dava, Jiva Desai, Dev
Ma'am,
Sokha.
roll number 11, Jia Desai, present.
Shyam Gami present. Roll number 13, ma'am. Shyam Gami present. Roll number 13.
Shakula present, ma'am. Roll number 15.
Shyam Gami present, ma'am. Roll number 13.
Veer Kela present, roll number 18. Ma'am, I don't know my roll number.
What's your name?
Ma'am, whose present is done, can they leave?
Yes, beta.
Veer Sarodia present, roll number 26. Ma'am, Veer Kela roll number 26. Ma'am, number 14. Ma'am, Jia Desai present, roll number 11.
Soumya Trivedi is present. Soumya Trivedi.
Ma'am, roll number 90. Priyanshu Maijaya present.
Yes, present.
Adya present, ma'am. Roll number 17. Ma'am, roll number
Yes,
19. Roll present, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't know my roll number.
Ma'am, after
What's his name?
Ma'am, Veer Sarodia present, ma'am. Roll number 26. Adya Vadera present, ma'am. 25. Ashika
Yes,
Jain.
Kavya.
Ma'am, Neha Kirayani present, roll number 25. Ma'am, roll number 7.
एक साथ
Okay.
मत बोलो.
Jai Charola is present. Jai Charola.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Have a good day. Bye. You can leave the class.
Ma'am, ma'am, I don't know my roll number.
What's your name?
Akshara Ranpara.
Wait, Akshara, your roll number is Akshara Ranpara, 25 roll number. Now you can leave the class. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Ma'am, 25.
Ma'am.